Hello guys, this is Junvic Ignacio. Do you want your plane to fly so hard? I mean fly so far. And it's super cool. Airplane, paper airplane, not a real airplane. I don't have that. So much expensive. You should have like paper like this. Paper Philippines. Wait, just wait. Oh, okay. That. And first step is do this. Come on. Wait, so you can see it. Ah, how can I video this? So you should fold it like this, and a sack measure. And do like this. After that, it's so hard. Open it. So like this, put it like that. Like this. And the other one too, okay? The other one. And after that, put this down. Like this. And after I'm doing that, just do this. After that, it's like that, right? Someone said that you should go there. That is so stupid. That do not fly so far. It's like that. Put it here, like you do in the first time. Like that. Oh, it's so hard. Yeah, like this. See? Oh, come on. And the other one too. It should be like this. See? And fold it like this. See? If it's like that, fold it like this. Oh. And put it like this. Everywhere. Like this. See? What did I do? It's like that. And press it so hard so it can fly so far. The other one too. But this. What did I do here? I fold it like that, right? What did I do here? Do it again here. See? I put it again. After that, fold it like here. Hold it like there. There. And again, the other one too. And after that, wait. Do it again. Just like this. Again. And do it again. What did you do here? Do it again here. And do it again. And this is ultra airplane. See? You wanna see so far? I'll do this. Oh! It's a perfect landing, bro. I made two of them. You wanna see? The one. Awesome. That's the perfect one. It should be become this. This is the most perfect. This is a dumb airplane. You wanna see? It's not what did I do, but this is a failed airplane working. See? It's dumb. Okay, bye. If you like it, can you please thumbs up? Thumbs up. It's like thumbs up, 7 up. Thumbs up, 7 up. Okay, goodbye. And again, please like my video. And you wanna see my father sleeping? Jokes. My father's in my other room. I mean in my mom's room. Goodbye.